Hello and welcome back to my daily English practice. I'm Yasmin and I'm on a journey to become very fluent in speaking in English. I started this journey few days ago and this is my day 6 of practice. I hope you guys are doing well in this extreme hot weather. I just want to ask you how you are feeling these days, and today feels little bit cooler and which is really nice, and I think most of you have the same weather, but if you are really in extreme hot weather, please drink enough water and please take rest inside. And I'm sharing my daily progress, and I just want to inspire who also want to become very fluent in speaking in English, and I really want to share my story to all of the beginners who also want to become very fluent in English. That's why I practice every single day, but I did not post yesterday and because I had my exam, that's why. But I will keep going like upcoming days. So if you want to become very fluent in speaking in English, and if you really want to see my journey, please stay connected and you must watch all of my videos because I am sharing my progress and I'm a beginner, so it will really help you. Speaking in English really well is really important for me as a small YouTuber because it will help me to reach global audience, so you guys from different countries can easily get my message, and it will help me to build a stronger connection between me and my viewers, and it will help me to boost my confidence, like when I am talking every single day to my viewers in front of camera. It will really help me and it will really help me to grow, and it will help me in future like collaboration with other creators, and I can learn about more cultures, and it will make me feel proud of myself because when I can see my own improvement, it will really make me proud because I really want to become very fluent in speaking in English like for a very long time. That's why it will really help me, and that's why I am practicing every single day. My day 6 of my practice and I really feel more confident, like if you watched my previous video you can really see the difference, like I got more nervous and today I am feeling more confident. I know I am making a lots of mistake, but today I really feel more confident, and this is really important because most of people like can easily understand English, but they can't speak in front of people or in front of camera, and if you really want to become fluent you have to get rid over this. So this is really important, and I think if I keep going like this, I will become very fluent in speaking in English as well, and I will become more confident, like I can really speak in public place and in front of camera. That's why I have to keep going and I have to practice every single day. I told you before, like I am a Bengali and I am from a village, so it is really hard for me to find anyone whom I can practice every single day because most of the people around me always speaking in Bengali, and even my family members always speaking in Bengali, so it is really hard for me to find anyone. Then I decided, like if I want to become very fluent, I have to practice every single day, but it is really hard to find anyone. That's why I just decided to open my camera and speak in front of it, even if it is for only 5 or 10 minutes. I just want to tell you, like if you are a beginners and you have the same problem, like you don't have anyone whom you can practice, so you just have to do one thing, like if when you are alone you can speak by yourself or you can speak in front of camera, and you can just share your journey with us, and if you are comfortable you must share your journey with us, like you can share it on YouTube, and I will suggest you to do this because it will really work for you, because it will really working for me, because when you start posting on YouTube it will make you really consistent, and you can really reach people who also have similar goals, and you can get feedback from viewers, so it will really help you to get improve. And I must suggest you to post every single day or practice every single day, because it will help you to grow in YouTube, and this is really a free platform, so you can just start with your phone only. So you must do it, and it will really help you, because it is really helping me, and that's why. And it will make you really more confident. That's why I want to tell you that if you want to become very fluent, you have to post it. And because we guys really love to watch your journey, so you must do it. I just want to tell you something really important. Like, if you are a beginner, so you must have to follow this. If you really want to become very fluent, you have to practice every single day. And I want to tell you that please don't waste your time. If you really want to become fluent, you have to practice. That's why you have to start from today. Please don't waste your time, and don't wait for that perfect moment, because perfect moment never comes. And the only way to become very perfect is the time, is by using the time you have right now. So don't wait for that moment. Please start from today, and it will really help you if you really practice every single day, because it will really helping me, and I hope it will really help you too. That's why all of this for today, everyone. If you really want to see my progress and watch my journey, please subscribe to my channel. And all of this for today. Bye everyone, see you tomorrow.